Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very special surprise video for you guys, an unboxing of my 15th Dr. Sonic screwdriver from Character Online. I am super excited. I didn't think it was gonna get here this fast. I ordered it like a week ago and it shipped from the UK to here. So it went through International Royal Mail. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and a little review. So I just got 2 packages in the mail and this is one of them. I'm super excited because I've wanted this Sonic screwdriver since I saw it. When I first saw that this screwdriver was so different than the previous screwdrivers we'd seen, I was like, what the freak is this? But then I realized that you can't have fun unless you try. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a chance. And then all throughout the Christmas special and season 1, I was like, yeah, I'm in love with this. So are you ready? Oh my God, are you kidding me? It's chrome electroplated. The website says the deluxe version is available only on Character Online. It boasts an exclusive electroplated finish, making it look like the real polished steel and brass. It has 2 modes of operation, open and closed. It has 5 brand new and totally unique sound and light effects, which are each accessed by a different button sequence. That is so much fun. The package looks so great. Are you kidding me? Oh, I love that it's beveled. It looks kind of cool. And I love that you can kind of get into it, but there is plastic over top of it. How am I gonna get this open without destroying the package is the real question. Okay, so that, look how gorgeous that is. Are you kidding me? Let's see, oh yeah. It has the closed function. That is so cool. Are you kidding me? That's awesome. Look, there's the little purple crystal. So you kind of want to use it this way so you can get your thumb. I wonder, there is a double tap feature like in other Sonic screwdrivers. That's so awesome. Let's see if we can find out how to use some of the other features. Okay, so it seems like, so this is called the spring out and retract emitter section. So this is the standard Sonic sound. This is the data sound. This is the same sound as Jody's screwdriver. That's so awesome. This is the Lifeform scan sound. That's awesome. So fun. It looks like it only has 1 light color. And also, when you close and open it, there's a sound effect, which I love. It's really ergonomic. It's really good for holding. It's less like a, you know, a normal one. Let's compare it to a normal one. Let's compare it to the 14th Dr. screwdriver. So here I have the 14th Dr. screwdriver and the 15th Dr. screwdriver. Clearly very different. However, I want to see if their sounds are the same. This is a little more of a hum to it. Oh, I didn't realize. That is so cool. There's no, these don't have like magnification or anything. It's just, they're just there for fun. That's okay though. It looks like the crystal's glowing. You can, here, let me turn my light off. You can see that it's slightly glowing. That is so fun. I wondered how they would get this to flatten up against this, but you can see that this section right here is on a angle, so it just fits really nicely. This is really nice. You can fit it in your pocket if you're going to like a convention or something. It would fit really nicely in there. It also has a really nice design and detail underneath this part that I don't know what it's called. Oh, and when this is out, I didn't realize all the lights turn on. That is so awesome. Are you kidding me? So I think this is the swivel out power core. No, I don't think it is. That's weird. Oh, got it. This is the swivel out power core. Emitter section. So the 15th Doctor Sonic screwdriver retails for $39.99 and JBP. Okay, so I did pay about $83 for this in American money. I love it. I'm super excited. My only issue is that this won't really go on my sonic screwdriver display shelf in a way that is cohesive with the other ones, but I probably will be carrying this around with me for a while because I'm obsessed with it. So that concludes my unboxing review of the 15th Doctor Sonic screwdriver. I know you guys can hear me playing with it still. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. Peace, y'all.